on everybody right now. So if you sensitive, you might not want to watch this video. You might want to go ahead and turn it off. And if you have children watching this video, you might want to send them to the other room, because I don't know what I'm going to say because I'm pissed off. This video might not be suitable for sensitive people at all. So for everybody that keep talking about President Trump is having a meltdown, look at me when I'm talking to you. Listen up here. Shut the hell up. Cut the bull crap out. Seriously. President Trump has the weight of the world on his shoulders. We are dealing with a crisis, and y'all want to talk crap about the president, judge him, call him a racist? Shut that shit up. Excuse my language. But this is not the time for that bull crap. President Trump has the weight of the world on his shoulders. Do you hear what I'm saying, okay? He is the president. He is doing everything he can to keep us safe and to kill this virus, to kill this Chinese virus. But y'all want to talk about him? This man is losing sleep, trying to make sure we good. President Trump didn't even have to run to be the president. He ran so he could be here for us, so he can work hard for us, so he can keep us safe, so he can keep this country great. Y'all are a bunch of ungrateful ass people. Seriously. Do y'all not see what he's doing for us right now? Do y'all not see that he is trying to help us? You damn right he's stressed out. Come on now, he's the president. He's the president. He got to watch his people. This man, do you not understand as a president that he cares about the people? And to see people lose their jobs because of a virus, because of a Chinese virus, to see people go hungry because of a Chinese virus, you damn right he's stressed out. Who wouldn't be? I'm stressed out. But y'all want to judge him when he's doing everything he can. He don't have time for these third grade ass reporters asking stupid questions, asking dumb questions, and calling him a racist. Cut the crap out, y'all. Cut it out. This ain't the time for it. Do that another day. Play the race card. Play the hateful card after this is all over. But this is not the time. This is not the time to be attacking the man that is fighting for you. This is not the time to be attacking the man that is trying to keep you safe. This is not the time for you to attack the man that is trying to kill the virus that is trying to attack you. Y'all need to cut the bull crap out. No. Let me say it one more time where y'all can really understand me. Because I got to talk to y'all like this because y'all stupid. And you don't listen unless somebody talk to you the way that you need to be talked to. So let me say this again. Y'all need to cut the bullshit out. Cut this shit out. I'm tired of talking nice. Cut it out. We need to be uniting right now, not fighting.